We're going to have a part 3. This is just some corrections to part 2. That's all this is to clarify a few items. One being, when you're testing this, if you notice here in the different number of bytes of a particular resolution uses, if you see up here, we've got some in the right side up here at the top, the 1 8, 1 9, 1 Charlie, and down here in the middle, 1 Easy, 1 Fox, mounted rim. They only take up one block. So when you're testing, if you test it and you use this address here of 4000, that will be outside the block. So if you're going to use them lower resolutions, you need to change that to, say, 2500. Otherwise, your program, you won't see anything happen. Other thing to clarify is, as I was editing it, a lot of times I use the phrase extended basic, unraveled extended basic, and I'm assuming you're all aware it's super extended basic, not just extended basic. And while you're testing, if you want to, you may want to, like in here, we did this do lines 4 times. You might want to change that and put it there 8 times, 10 times, get better visuals on your screen, or lengthen the number in here you put out. So anyway, that's just a few corrections. That's all this part 3 was for. So go back to our normal recording, and that's all for part 3.